Hi Suyash.
Hello, hello.
Hello, this is Abra from Global Shala.
Yeah. Hi, Abra. So before we actually start, I just wanted to get an idea. Like, I have read about Global Shala, and I've read about like how you guys are planning on the fourth goal of sustainable development.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to know like about the training programs. So all of them are free, or you are charging for those programs?
No, we are actually developing and working on, crafting different courses and everything. And Global Shala is basically a platform that, gives opportunities to young educators and students who actually are worried about their, higher studies and everything. So we are actually opening different horizons for them to make education, more qualified and more accessible to them. So is that fine now?
Yeah.
Okay, so first I will be like giving a brief description about yourself, and then we can directly go to the interview, like the question and answers. For something that started off with no plan, nor any vision or mission in mind, let alone even a team, Element Media seems to have achieved all that it could have and more. Hello everyone, this is Abra. I'm a content writing intern in Global Shala. And in today's session of In Conversation, we are here to talk to Suyash Lahoti, the brain behind this strategic advertising agency. Suyash is a self motivated, informed individual who knows what exactly needs to be done in order to take your brand to the pinnacle of success. He is an ever growing individual who values networking and quality deliverance in every venture. It is a popular opinion among his peers that when you listen to him, you can go never wrong. So, with that note, we would like to welcome Suyash. Hello, Suyash.
Hello. Hello, Abra. Thank you so much for the introduction.
How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. All right. So if you are like ready, then we can directly go to our main part of the interview. That is the question answer session.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. So my first question is that when did the idea for Element first come to your mind?
So basically, I have studied in MIT WPU, Kothur, and we had one of our deans, Professor Dr. Sudhir Gavane. So it was his motivation and it was his idea to have like multiple startups in one class. Basically, he believed that there's more to world, like the experience matters more than the bookish knowledge. And he always used to say, "Okay, I want to see like 10 startups in your class." So that is like his inspiration, his motivation to do so actually gave a start to this topic of having my own agency. It was also my dream from like class 10, 11 when I decided okay, I want to do mass media, I want to pursue advertising as a career option. But I never knew when do I start an agency. So with his push, we actually came up with the idea of Element Media. Element is the name of my family business. So I decided to go with it, and we just started overnight.
Okay. Like that's quite inspirational, like the thing about going beyond the bookish knowledge and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So my second question is that do you remember your first client or project?
So, I do remember. Like, I used to do projects beforehand before I started Element Media. But I remember when we launched Element Media on 24th of September 2018. So, at that time, one of my friend's sister, she was also having a startup and she wanted to build a website. So, that was our first client. It was called the Khanij Store, and that website, like we didn't even have a knowledge of building a website. We never built a website before, but it was like we just okay, we said yes to that client, and then we learned how to build the website and we completed the project in like 14 days.
Okay, great. So the next question, how did you know that when you had the right idea? When did you get that?
Honestly, the idea was clear in my head that I want to start my own advertising agency since class 11, but I never knew when I was going to start it. I had no idea. I knew it was the right idea, but I didn't know when to execute it. And with the push, as I said, from Gavane sir, and a lot of support from my own family and my dad's business, I decided, ki, okay, this is the right time. In my second year, I started my agency.
All right. So the next question is probably like the concern of us all. Like how do you handle adversity and doubt?
So adversity and they are inevitable in any journey. However, the best way to deal with adversity is focusing on positivity, like being optimistic, turning everything into a solution. And instead of complaining, I started to think of solutions. Basically, like I just said with my first client, website development was not even close to our business. It was close to our business, but it was not nowhere in the line of our syllabus. We had no idea how to build a website. That is when we started to think of solutions, and then we decided to, okay, we'll learn it and we'll do it. So that's how I look towards it.
What has Element given you at a personal level?
Talking about Element. So basically, Element stands for Lahoti Manish Nilesh. That's my uncle's name and my dad's name. So Element is our family business. But apart from construction and consultancy, I decided to start an advertising agency and call it Element Media. So Element, like the name itself, is very close to my heart. And at a personal level, I have been recognized a lot due to Element. Like among my friends, among my order, if you see my LinkedIn networks, everywhere I go, people know about Element, and that is an identity I've created for myself. So Element has given me that identity.
That's impressive. So how do you plan on growing your business?
So about business, until recent time, we were focusing on social media marketing mainly, and then we had other projects for website development, branding, logo designing, etc., etc. But now, as we plan for growth, we have decided to build ourselves a stronger agency in terms of digital marketing and to go hand in hand and provide a full service to the client starting from print, outdoor, indoor, social and digital media. So we are now planning to become a full service advertising agency. Whatever the client needs are, we will be able to fulfill them from now on.
Okay, so the next question is probably related to all of us, and that is, what is your equation with failure? Did you experience failure?
Yeah, I definitely did experience failure. So, like the failure was not in terms like we were not able to complete some project, but it was in terms of managing and trusting people with what we have. Recently, we had launched a startup advertising module for so that every other startup who has a less budget but wants to market themselves well, this was a module for them that we were planning, and we had one of the clients from Delhi, but apparently we worked on the project, we agreed to the startup module of it, and later on the client just shut down. The company was no longer existing, and we tried a lot to get back to them, but it never turned out for anything. So that was the biggest failure that we observed recently. But yeah, since then we have learned from it, and then we started to, okay, no, whenever we are going for a client, whenever we are pitching a new client, we make sure that, okay, this client needs to go through the contracts and everything. So that is how we are learning and we are improving ourselves.
All right. And what is your mission for your next project that you are gonna take up?
So the next project, we are growing right now. So basically, we started at the local level. We had some local clients who were in our purview, who were in my dad's purview or my friend's purview, who knew me even before Element Media. But now it's time that we are going for clients who don't know me, who don't know Element Media, but now they are coming to us because of our work, and that is how I plan the next steps of going to the next level where we pick the bigger brands to work for.
That's great, actually. And to what do you attribute your success?
I attribute my success firstly to my family. They have given me a lot of support, be it financial support if and when needed, be it mental, emotional, and even business ethics that they have taught me that has made me so successful. And along with that, I also attribute my success to the friends who have been standing with me since day one. So there have been many ups and downs in the whole team, but my friends have always been with me, be it whatever decision I took regarding the agency, regarding how I deal with it. But my friends have always been there. So yeah, I attribute my success to both my family and my friends.
Brilliant. Have you ever turned down a client?
Yeah, recently I saw that there's a lot on my plate. I was not going to able to come pursue the project and give him what he exactly needed. So I didn't exactly turn him down, but yeah, I diluted the work to some other agency so that he's satisfied with the work and I didn't have to say no directly.
Okay,
Because when there's an opportunity, I don't know how do you pass such a great opportunity, but why you know that you would not be able to complete it.
And who inspires you?
My inspiration, it has been my dad and my uncle. I have grown a lot since their time, and they have inspired me since childhood to do something on your own and be the best at what you do.
And the last question is that what do you think about Global Shala?
Global Shala, I think it is doing the same thing that I have been taught to do. It is doing the best that could be done in terms of attaining the fourth sustainable development goal, that is regarding the education. And I really look forward that Global Shala becomes a bigger platform than it is today, and it actually helps a lot in completing the goal that the United Nations has set up.
All right, that's impressive. Okay, so now, like, as the end of the interview, I would just like to run into a quick rapid fire. I will be asking you some questions and you have to answer like instantly. Okay.
Okay.
So, biggest motivation in your life?
Gavane sir.
Okay. Favorite personality?
Favorite personality, Ratan Tata.
Favorite book?
To be honest, I've never read a book till today.
That's something. All right. So we
Yeah.
will pass like that question.
Yeah.
What's the one thing that you would put on the top of your bucket list?
I would like to have a business lunch with Mr. Tata.
All right. And the last one. Any message for our viewers?
I would say that Global Shala is doing great work, and I took my inspiration from Global Shala recently, and I would want all our viewers to do the same and do the best of what could be done. Whatever you like, just give a best shot to it.
That's great. Okay, Suyash, we are like really glad that you gave your precious time, and it was a great pleasure to talk to you. Thanks a lot for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Abra.
Thank you.